Our mission since inception has been to help you find that 100x investment. What we can do is we can monetize, we can capitalize, because people are seeing the intersection of both crypto and AI merging into one. A world with AI agents, AI bots, don't need to transact, don't need to have a form of payment and currency. And crypto is that currency. Crypto is the next iteration of open money. We have OpenAI and open money. That's crypto and AI. We have a data source, a fire hose of data that nobody else in crypto has. We have proprietary AI ratings and signals we've been building. We spend millions of dollars doing all this, and we're about to unleash it. This is TMAI. Let's take Solana. Solana made a lot of money last cycle. You could have bought Solana and done over 200x on public markets, on exchanges. Our AI helped you avoid one of the biggest L's in crypto. If you followed it, look at this. It called a bearish signal April 11th, 2022 at $84.66. Then about a month later, it fell off a cliff. This is why you have to have data. Data and the power of AI is the future. We'll be doing one of the biggest airdrops ever in terms of community size to our community. More than 50% of the token supply will be airdropped to our community. That's why we're launching TMAI on Base. We love what Coinbase and the Base ecosystem is doing with AI and AI agents, because this is an AI agent. But the cool thing is people can interact with this on Twitter. Somebody here, Jonah, says, what tokens are you bidding? Then he responds saying, looking at some frog launches right now. And it sounds just like a regular crypto Twitter user, like a crypto degen. It's basically a crypto degen bot. Even when we raised capital early on, it was through a SEC regulated Reg CF. That's how community driven we have been. Before it was a trend in crypto with all these meme coins. And we know memes are the future. Memes are the Trojan horse for getting people into crypto. Guess what? Yes, we're gonna memify TMAI. Because one thing we know is you have to have a community rally behind somebody, a mascot, a meme. That's basic marketing 101. For the first time, we're introducing TMAI mascot, a meme, a cute, lovable robot that's here to help you find the next 100x, that's here to take you to the moon and beyond. Hey Tokenomics family, we have some big news in crypto for you this week. It is finally here. The day you've all been waiting for. Tokenomics AI, TMAI, is finally here. Our token is launching this week on Wednesday. Stay tuned. We'll do a deep dive onto why this is big. We know this is about to be, in our opinion, the biggest crypto bull run ever, and the longest crypto bull run ever. And we know crypto, AI agents has been taking over the crypto narrative, the crypto sphere as a whole, especially on crypto Twitter. But guess what? We've been doing AI for crypto. If it was big, we launched Tokenomics back in 2019 at the bottoms of the last cycle's bear market. And we have been building and trading what we think is about to become the world's best crypto AI agent. And we're about to give it to you, our customers and token holders. We're going fully Web3. It is finally here. Let's do a deep dive onto Tokenomics AI and why we think this is about to change the whole crypto industry. If you're brand new here, if you're watching this for the first time, maybe you just got this video from a friend, somebody shared this to you who's a crypto investor or trader. My name is Ian Valina. I'm the founder and CEO of Tokenomics. Our mission is to help crypto traders and investors find the next 100x. I built my claim to fame in the crypto space by turning 20 grand to $5 million in less than 12 months using analytics. I used to work for IBM AI. They kind of dropped the ball in AI, to be honest. But now, guess what? Crypto AI is the future, and we've been working and building crypto AI because we think this has been the future for a long time. I'm also a general partner at Token Ventures, a crypto investment fund. We made almost 50 different investments in projects such as Peak, Million, Movement Labs, which is about to launch this week too, Parcel, Andrina, and some others that I think, in my opinion, obviously I'm biased, will be potential 100x's. So we kind of know how to do research of crypto and find that 100x investment. I'm also an entrepreneur, built over 3 startups to over 7 figures from the ground up, raised more than 10 million in capital, both on the VC side and equity side. And I used to work in the corporate world. So I get that life. I used to work for IBM in technical sales, was IBM North America analytics evangelist for IBM Cloud and IBM Watson, worked for Deloitte as an IT consultant. And I'm also tech heavy. People kind of forget that. I'm an engineer by trade, master's and bachelor's in computer engineering. Maybe that's why I like DeepIn, especially. But enough about me. Let's go into Tokenomics and TMAI. Our mission since inception has been to help you find that 100x investment. There have been so many 100x investments out there. I've had several of them. It's part art, part science. For projects like back in the early day with Helium Network, meeting the team in San Francisco back in August 2018, our AI signals. Back then, look at this. If you followed our AI signals, look at this money you would have made on Helium, just trading it. But I like to be more of a value investor. And that's what we think also having an AI for value investing makes sense. Because finding projects early before they launch, thinking like a VC, but also thinking like a trader once it's trading in the market, knowing when to get in and knowing when to get out before it drops. So even other projects like Polygon back in the day, same month, August 2018, meeting Sandeep when they're pitching and won our blockchain pitch competition back in India. You could have either found it early through alpha, like Tokenomics research, or finding it early at the bottoms of the bear and getting in at this bullish signal. Look at this bullish signal turned green. Obviously, it was a little choppy, but it helped you preserve capital. Our mission has always been to help you find that 100x, but also help you preserve capital capital once you find that 100x, once it's trading. So our AI has been doing this before all these AI agents were a thing. So we put out lots of videos saying that this is historically going to be the biggest crypto bull run ever. Just think about that. This is our market indicator, also AI. If we just zoom out here, look at how perfectly it's been calling this, right? So the crypto market cap has gone from 2.7 trillion on November 8th, basically pre-election, to now 3.4 trillion. And we expect that the crypto market cap as a whole, our bear case is 8 trillion, base case about 10 trillion, moon case 12 to 14 trillion, maybe even more. But times are changing. For the first time ever, we'll have a pro-crypto Congress and president in the US. This has played a huge factor in really preventing crypto from mooning. And now for the first time, crypto will not be running uphill. It'll be running downhill. If we're getting 100x's before a pro-crypto environment in the US, imagine how easy it will be to get those 100x's in a pro-crypto environment in the US. So now the whole world is flooding into crypto, whether it's Bitcoin ETF, the SEC's gone, Gary Gensler's gone. This is it. This is the moment of our lives. This is what we've all been waiting for. Whether you're brand new in crypto or you've been here for a while, this is the time to build generational wealth. And we know AI is the future. We saw what happened with ChatGPT 3 and ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT 5 is going to be coming out. Now you have other competitors, whether it's Claude, whether it's Mistral, AI is the future. This is the biggest innovation in technology since smartphones, or maybe even since the internet itself. Just think about that. Nobody knows what the future would look like with AI. People can speculate about what it would look like, but nobody knows. But what we can do is we can monetize, we can capitalize, because people are seeing the intersection of both crypto and AI merging into one. A world with AI agents, AI bots, don't need to transact, don't need to have a form of payment and currency. And crypto is that currency. Crypto is the next iteration of open money. We have OpenAI and open money. That's crypto and AI. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So this is our AI signal on Bitcoin. If we actually take a step back and go back to past cycles, we can see here back in October, around October 10th or so, Bitcoin was at 11K. We had a bullish signal from our AI. Then it called the top here at about 50K. Then here it had a fake out. Then it called the top here. And guess what? If you followed our AI signal back on May 2020, you would have saved a lot of money. You would have avoided that out. If we take a step back in time even more, same thing, past cycles. We had this bullish signal here, February 2019 at about under 4K. Got you out of it at about 10K on July 2019. And guess what? Because now we have a data source, a fire hose of data that nobody else in crypto has. We have proprietary AI ratings and signals we've been building. We spend millions of dollars doing all this, and we're about to unleash it with TMAI. I got into crypto back in October 2016. Bitcoin was around $600 to $800. It was kind of hovering. Obviously, it's tough. It's very tough to call everything perfectly. It's tough doing it as a human, let alone as an AI. But look at this. We had a bullish signal here, October 2017, at about 4,300, and we called a bearish top at about 13.5K before the market went down. And we have this for thousands of tokens now on our platform. You've added price predictions, because I know you all love price predictions. Guess what? Nobody has price predictions like we do. And we have this for a lot of tokens, and we're adding more tokens. So for instance, if you think the total crypto market cap as a whole is going to 7 trillion, and Bitcoin is currently at 97K, our price prediction says the bear case, Bitcoin goes to 148K, base case, 174K, moon case, almost 200K Bitcoin. But what if you think the whole market as a whole is going to 14 trillion? What if you're a moon boy or moon gal? How high can that go? This is the power of our proprietary AI. It says Bitcoin, if the market as a whole goes to 14 trillion market cap, bear case, 252 Bitcoin, base case, almost 330 Bitcoin, moon case, over $405,000 in BTC. So imagine having all of this for thousands of tokens. Just think about that. Imagine having all of this for thousands of tokens, whether it's our price predictions, whether it's our bullish signals, whether it's the trader grade, which lets you see exactly when our signals and grades are turning bearish and bullish. All this is proprietary data. This is our secret sauce. Nobody has this. Let's do another example. Let's take Solana. Solana made a lot of money last cycle. You could have bought Solana and then over 200x on public markets, on exchanges. So let's take our signal here. First signal was kind of flat for a while. Between under a penny to a dollar, about $2. First signal here about 250. Bearish here. Went choppy for some time. Turned bullish again at about $33. Bearish here. Bought back in. Bearish here. And look at this. Avoided that L, that sharp drop. And if you look at the P&L here, if you hodled, so you'd have had 75x. But one of the reasons why we also like having AI tell us when to get in or get out of a token. But all of you who were here last cycle, you remember Terra Luna. It was a top 10, top 20 market cap project at one point in time. And just like that, it dropped and fell off a cliff. And guess what? Our AI helped you avoid one of the biggest L's in crypto. if you followed it. Look at this. It called a bearish signal April 11th, 2022 at $84.66. Then about a month later, it fell off a cliff. This is why you have to have data. Data and the power of AI is the future. But enough about all this. We have our AI indices that go through, because the way tokenmetrics works, the way TMAI works is it gets as much data as possible from market data to social data, quantitative data, on-chain data. Our AI goes through, gives it a grade, a holistic grade. These are basically the ratings we have. We have over 15,000 tokens, and about, I would say, a third of them or more have grades. Trader grade, our own secret trader grade, bullish signals, different exchanges, different sectors, and we go through, give you the signals, the price predictions. We can also abstract all that and just spoon feed you the best trades right now with our trader indices across different platforms, different exchanges. And we also have our investor indices for those of you who are more long-term investors. But in crypto, it's very tough to invest because right now there's a lot of sector rotation. So whether it's meme coins, whether it's AI agents, all this data, you guys have had a chance to go out there, try and use it and make a lot of money with it. And we also have our chatbot, our AI chatbot. Some people like to call it AI agent because that's kind of the new narrative in crypto, but we've had this for a while. And this, in essence, lets you ask any crypto question and get a response using our data and the market data and online data. So for instance, you can say, what are the top 5 cryptos to trade right now based on our trader grade? It will go through and give you all of this. So these are 5 trades right now, substantiated with our secret sauce. And our secret sauce has been available via our data API. All this is data we have that powers the platform, powers Tokenmetrics, and is now going to power TMAI. So from the grades, the indices, market signals, this is pure alpha. And we would not be here if it was not for our community. This token generation event is monumentous because we'll be doing one of the biggest airdrops ever in terms of community size to our community. More than 50% of the token supply will be airdropped to our community, which does include past crowdfund investors. We had a regulation CF back in November 2021. If you've been with us since then, guess what? You'll be part of the airdrop. Just definitely make sure you go to airdrop.tokenmetrics.com to claim your airdrop. Whether you are a refunder, Reg CF investor, these were equity investors. We had almost 2,000 investors back in 2021. 2,000 equity investors participated in our mission of helping democratize crypto AI investing and trading. We also launched AstroBot NFTs, where we minted more than 4,000 NFTs that have almost 2,000 holders, 2,000 token holders back in September 2022. Some of these NFTs are going for a higher price. For instance, if we go to highest last sale, this is probably VIP plan. These VIP bots, VIP Astrobots, some are getting sold for 13 ETH, 12 ETH, 10.5 ETH. Guess what? The Astrobot community has been very, very communicative with us, and they'll be getting a huge part of this airdrop as well. So we're airdropping to both crowdfund investors, Astrobot Society NFT holders. We're airdropping to Astra DAO token holders as well, because we're building an end-to-end ecosystem for crypto traders and investors, from our AI and analytics platform to helping find the next 100x to even our fund investing in big projects like Peak, Pixels, Movement, Andrina, Nillion, MyPet Hooligan, Vana, CK Pass, Zero Gravity, Koi, Parcel. We know the alpha is not always about insiders or VCs, it's about the community. And that's why, if you follow the news from AstraDAO, the Tokenmetrics Foundation acquired the AstraDAO development team. So we're bringing their on-chain indices technology and their launchpad in-house into the Tokenmetrics Foundation and ecosystem. Why is that big? Because one, we can finally launch our own launchpad. So all the hidden gems we're finding on our research, imagine us finding hidden gems and making that available to our customers to buy on the launchpad. It builds an end-to-end ecosystem. And that launchpad, of course, will be powered by the TMAI token. But the thing I forgot to mention, which is the biggest thing of all, if you have been a customer of Tokenmetrics, and if you're still a customer with Tokenmetrics, you will also get the airdrop. All Tokenmetrics customers will get the TMAI airdrop. All you have to do is just go to airdrop.tokenmetrics.com. And this has basically been our airdrop points program. So anybody who's been a customer, anybody who's even just been following us or part of the Galaxy campaigns, part of the Clink campaign, and part of the Jump Task campaign. So if you've been part of our community in any shape or form, from being a customer to an AstroBot NFT token holder to even an Astra DAO token holder from us acquiring the team, Astra DAO token holders are getting 2x the FDV of an Astra DAO because we want to make sure everybody's made whole, and we want to make sure we're building an end-to-end ecosystem that infuses crypto with AI. All right, so all this sounds good, but why are we launching a token? What is the point of having a token? Why are you tokenizing Tokenmetrics? So we've been listening to our customers, and the most requested product has been trading bots. Yes, we have great AI, great technology, great signals, but it's very hard to follow 10,000 different crypto signals in crypto where the narrative is changing every single week. What's the hot trade? Can I get in? Can you automate it? Can I just put in my capital, sell when it turns bearish? That's what's coming at Tokenmetrics. And all that will be powered by the TMAI token. So imagine saying, hey, you know what? Phantom's FTM is looking pretty hot right now. It has a bot grade of 80%. You can enter into this as a trade, connect to your account. You can say Binance Gate, OKX, KuCoin. So let's say Binance, connect your API key, and using our AI signal, when it turns bullish, you're using funds on your exchange. Obviously, this is secure. It will buy the crypto for you. It will buy FTM for you. When it turns bearish, it will sell. Imagine having this trading bot for Luna. That would have saved you a lot of money. But this is doing all this on centralized exchanges. And we are fully with the movement that the future of crypto is also on chain. That's why we're launching TMAI on Base. We love what Coinbase and the Base ecosystem is doing with AI and AI agents, because this is an AI agent. And that's why we had to bring the AstroDAO team in-house, because what they've been doing on-chain indices and trading is phenomenal, because this is our trading bot for centralized exchanges, and we want to also build an AI agent that lets you trade on-chain using DEXs. Imagine having a chatbot like this you can talk to, and they can execute trades for you. You can buy and sell in just simple human language. That's the vision of Tokenmetrics and our AI agents. Having AI agents for both on-chain and off-chain. Let's take a look at the market as a whole. So according to CoinGecko, the AI market is huge. It has a $42 billion market cap. So the big projects in this sector, we have NEAR, the L1, Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, basically Fetch and Ocean merged into one protocol. BitTensor, Render, Virtuous Protocol. This is a product we love. It has been blowing up recently. Our fund has had a trade in this for a week or so. If we actually go to our signal here, this signal, once again, our signal, hold this at 5 cents. And guess what? It is still bullish. The party's not over yet. It's currently at almost $1.50. It is up 10x in 6 months, about 262% in the last 30 days. And our AI signal called this almost beautifully. This has become the pump.fun of launching AI agents. We're very bullish on this. We're still holding. Trader grade is high, 93% trader grade. And it's really pushing, it's almost 1.5 billion market cap in FTV. Off to a great start. This platform lets anybody launch their own, create their own AI agents to social platforms like TikTok, Twitter, Telegram. One of the biggest projects to launch off of it, if we go to the AI agents sector, the AI agent sector as well is actually pretty small. 8.4 billion, although it is on fire, and Virtuous Protocol is up there. But the one people have been sleeping on that we've been sharing with our customers, especially on the premium webinars, actually it's not AI agent, it's going to be AI memes. We've seen this is where the beauty and the intersection of crypto and AI is being put on display for the whole world to see. So the AI meme category, yes, this is real. There are AI meme coins now. It's $5 billion already. And this has been around for less than 2 months. The leader of the pack, Gotius Maximus. This is an AI agent that was formed from Truth Terminal. And in essence, this AI that was posting on Twitter ended up, through the help of its developer and Mark Andreessen, on the part of A16Z, launched its own coin called GOAT. And AI launched its own cryptocurrency. And this is when the whole AI agent and AI meme coins began taking off. And as we speak right now, it is at $754 million market cap. But now we have had other AI agents begin to launch into the stratosphere. So products like Zerebro, very, very interesting. We've opened a trade into this. This is a creative AI agent. It creates art, NFTs on the Polygon blockchain, and also creates music. Yes, I kid you not, music. And this music is already getting pretty popular. This is at Spotify. If you go to their Spotify, just search for Zerebro. They have more than 12,000 monthly listeners already. It's been around for like a month. It's basically creating rap and R&B music. It's actually pretty versatile. It sounds kind of like Juice WRLD. They also create some Spanish music. Sounds kind of like Maluma. But definitely go check it out. Listen to it. I listened to this music, to the whole album, to all the songs. I was like, I cannot believe this was done by AI. This is the power of AI agents, because we're getting AI and having it create and work together with other AIs to create incredible works of art, whether it's music, whether it's creating cryptocurrencies. And now one of the other ones that's really taking off, AIXBT by Virtuals. Actually, one of my buddies got into this early at $3 million market cap. He's making a killing. It's currently at over $200 million market cap. That's a lot of money. But why this other AI agent is taking off? This was launched on Virtuous Protocol, the AI agent platform. Think pump.fun for AI agents, or think kind of like OpenSea, where it lets you mint and share NFTs. Well, they've launched this AI agent that is basically become the biggest KOL in crypto Twitter right now in terms of market share. And it posts crypto analysis. And it's actually pretty good. So for instance, here's one of its most popular posts on Aave, and it sounds just like a KOL. It's been trained on crypto data for other KOLs. It has access to a bunch of different other data. It says Aave, cash tag, just crossed 30 billion in deposits, now larger than thousands of US banks, would rank as the 64th largest bank by deposits if classified as traditional institution. So you go through here, it's posting a lot. Its analysis is getting a lot of impressions. Here's one recently, XRPL meme coins getting real liquidity now. First ledger deck seeing actual bot activity. But the cool thing is people can interact with this on Twitter. Somebody here, Jonah, says, what tokens are you bidding? Then he responds saying, looking at some frog launches right now. And it sounds just like like a regular crypto Twitter user, like a crypto degen. It's basically a crypto degen bot. And this is the power of AI agents. And we're seeing all this. And this is why we said, hey, you know what? We have to unleash our AI onto the world. That's why our chatbot, Tokenmetrics chatbot, one, if you have TMAI, you'll be able to access the platform and all this data through our terminal. But we're also going to unleash this onto the world through different mediums, through X/Twitter, through Telegram bots, through Discord bots, and even through our API. You can actually access our proprietary data and the chatbot via our API. If you come here, go to developers.tokenmetrics.com and you go to Tokenmetrics AI, you can actually create an API key and use our own AI chatbot or agent. Guess what? All this will also be powered by the TMAI token. If you can see the vision for Tokenmetrics AI, we're building what we think will be the best crypto AI out there. Now, while all these others, I mean, we do own them as well, because we do see the value in them as investors and traders. While they're doing good, AIXBT has really broken the mold on how crypto native an AI bot or agent can be. But we want to take this to the next level by getting our substantiated trading signals and alpha, right? So for instance, imagine having an AI you can talk to, whether on Twitter, Telegram, or our platform, that gives you the alpha as it's happening, tells you what bullish signal is turning bullish, tells you what's turning bearish. Imagine even being able to execute trades through that AI agent. That's the vision of TMAI. That's what we're building. And we want this to be a community-driven effort. We didn't raise much money from VCs. This is why on TGE, more than 50% of the supply will be an airdrop to our community, to customers, to Astro NFT holders, to Astro token holders, to crowdfund equity investors. Even when we raised capital early on, it was through a SEC-regulated Reg CF. That's how community-driven we have been. Before it was a trend in crypto with all these meme coins. And we know memes are the future. Memes are the Trojan horse for getting people into crypto. Guess what? Yes, we're going to memify TMAI because one thing we know is you have to have a community rally behind somebody, a mascot, a meme. That's basic marketing 101. For the first time, we're introducing TMAI mascot, a meme, a cute, lovable robot that's here to help you find the next 100x, that's here to take you to the moon and beyond, that's here to give you that crypto alpha, whether it's ratings, analysis, indices, signals, telling you when to buy or sell, helping you avoid the next Terra Luna, helping you find the next virtual protocol, the next AIXBT, the next Helium, the next Polygon, or even the next base, the next meme coin. This is us introducing TMAI to the world. We have been building this for a while, and we cannot wait to unleash this to our community through this huge community airdrop. So we highly encourage you get involved. How can you get involved? Well, one, all token holders will become part of what we set up as the Tokenmetrics DAO. The Tokenmetrics Foundation has established the Tokenmetrics DAO. It took us a while to do all this. This is a legally incorporated for-profit DAO in the Marshall Islands. This is one of the few regions out there that has a pro-crypto friendly regulation. The key thing to note is, why is it a for-profit DAO? Because the DAO can legally earn money and pay it out to token holders. You can see where all this is going. So what we have coming up in the roadmap, we'll have a lot more information on this, is we'll have the DAO have the option to vote to potentially turn on revenue share and buyback and burn for the DAO and token holders. This can be huge. This can unlock humongous possibilities for token holders. Imagine having a DAO that can earn, or having an AI agent attached to the DAO that can earn revenue. Like we're seeing the things other tokens are doing, such as AI16Z, basically a AI hedge fund or VC fund. Well, Tokenmetrics DAO has a lot of options, but it's up to the community to decide what it does. Hence why more than half the tokens are going to the community. This is a community-driven effort. This is not just Tokenmetrics. We want this to be a community-driven effort where you as a community member or token holder can decide, hey, you know what, let's do a buyback and burn. Or hey, you know what, let's burn tokens. Or hey, you know what, let's add a revenue share switch where token holders get 20% of revenue. This unlocks limitless possibilities for token holders. So stay tuned. All this is coming soon. I know I'm giving you a lot of information, but this is why we're so excited. This is the biggest day in our lives for Tokenmetrics. It's also our 5-year anniversary at Tokenmetrics. Black Friday was 5-year anniversary. That's how long we've been working and building this. And now this is finally going to be available to everybody. And the TMAI token, we're excited to say, will be launching on 2 exchanges initially. The first one will be Gate.io, and the second one will be MEXC. These are 2 top 12 exchanges. Like if we come here, 2 top 11 exchanges, right? So this is according to CoinGecko. These are all the big exchanges. Gate is a top 10 exchange. MEXC is ranked 11th in terms of looks like trading volume. We do have some other exchanges in the works, but this is a good initial start. For anybody to go out there and get access to TMAI token, well, first of all, if you're part of the community, you should be getting the airdrop. But if you want to acquire more TMAI to use in the platform or our ecosystem, It will also be available on Gate.io and MEXC on Wednesday. The TGE will be on Wednesday. Probably by the time we post this video, it'll already be trading. So highly encourage you to go out there, get involved. We think this can become one of the leaders in the entire AI space for crypto because we've been doing this for 5 years at Tokenmetrics. And yes, it's cute to go out there and connect a bot to Twitter or whatever, but nobody has our signals or our data. When our lovable cute AI agent, TMAI, is giving you analysis or recommendations, it's going to be backed up with hard, quantifiable, verified data, whether it's the Tokenmetrics signals that are backtested, whether it's trader grade that's backtested, whether it's our indices, whether it's our analysis, our research. Everything has been backtested. This is not fluff. This is not us just randomly shitposting to sound crypto native. This is pure alpha, and this will be available to all token holders coming soon. Yes, AI agents are the future. Yes, AI memes are the future. Yes, AI as a whole is the future. But merging that with crypto is what we've been building for 5 years, and we're excited to launch this with our TGE of TMAI, and also giving you that alpha via the launchpad that will be coming soon, and the trading product. So just so many different products we're building. We can't wait. We'll initially kind of make announcements as we launch all these different products. The first one is that's coming soon this month, integrating TMAI into the Tokenmetrics platform. So when you log in, you can just log in and pay using TMAI. And then up next, we have the agents posting on different platforms, interacting with it. And then in the future, adding on-chain and off-chain trading with our trading bots. Very, very excited for this launch and very, very excited to have this be a community-driven crypto project. And as we like to say, the moon is not the limit to the moon and beyond. Thank you.